On April 14th, Bambu Lab is going to announce the X2D. There have been a number of leaks across the internet the past 3 months or so, and they recently sent out this wonderful email teasing everybody that something is coming. If you click on the link in the email, you go to this next page, again teasing you that something big is coming. Now, here are my top 3 reasons why I think they're going to announce the X2D. 1. On March 31st, they announced the end of life, end of sale of the X series, which seems strange because I just said they're going to announce the X2D. But what they're talking about is the X1, the X1 Carbon, and the X1E 3D printers. Those are going to go end of life, end of sale. Now, that means that they have a gap in their lineup that needs to be filled. You have the P series that is in the more mid-range. You have the H series that is on the very high range, but the X1C filled that range in between for the people who wanted something better but didn't want to shell out a ton of money for it. Reason number 2, they sent out the tease letting everybody know that something is coming. Now, what else is there that they could be putting in? I don't know, maybe there's something drastic new they're delivering, but the consensus seems to be X2D. Number 3, and this is the best one of all. If you're looking at the website for the tease, they misspelled excellence. Now, excellence does not start with an X, but they put an X there, and X2D starts with an X. Therefore, excellence and X2D, that is the core proof for the X2D. All joking aside, the truth is they put the tease out for this thing, but there's been a lot of leaks already that people have been expecting something to be coming. You have the leaks about 3 months ago that were posted to Reddit. Somebody was poking around the Bambu Handy app supposedly and found these images of something new coming. And it was hard to know what it was talking about. There were no indications of what platform the pictures were for. There's a lot of guesswork going on, but the pieces in those pictures looked really familiar to the X1C and the X1 series, drawing a lot of people to think that it's going to be the next X series printer. And they tagged the D onto it simply because in one of the images, it shows a dual nozzle printer, just like the H2D. So logic makes sense to assume it is an X2D that they're going to be announcing. The next one came more recently with a MicroEnter employee supposedly leaking an image of an X2D at a MicroEnter store, an X2D combo to be specific, at a MicroEnter store. This is something that has not been announced yet, not been released, but now that we have these leaked images from Bambu Handy, and we have this leaked image from a MicroEnter employee with a box straight up saying Bambu Lab X2D combo, it's quite easy to assume that this tease is leading to the announcement of the X2D. Not only will it be leading to the announcement of the X2D, I believe they're going to be putting it for sale on the same day. Typically new items like to come out on Tuesday. Tuesday is the slowest retail day. That's why companies like to put out new things on Tuesdays to drive people into the stores on those days. So we have the Bambu Handy leaks, we have the MicroEnter leak, and now we have the official tease from Bambu that something is coming. If you compare the images from the Bambu Handy leak that was posted to Reddit to the official tease website from Bambu, they look identical. It's the same Bambu Lab logo, the same fan. You can see the dual nozzles. You can see the radar and the camera on one side. It all looks the same. I think it is safe to say that come February 14th on Tuesday, they're going to be announcing the X2D to fill that gap in their lineup. Now, what I am curious about is where this is leading. I'm going to guess they're going to do the same thing they did with the H series, where they first went with the H2D. That was the first one to release. And then they released the H2S, the single nozzle printer, sometime later, followed up by the H2C. Now, I don't know if they're going to make an X2C. Nobody does except for Bambu. But I can imagine that they want to target that $1,000 range for a more robust multicolor printer setup, especially because you have other companies like FlashForge. You already have the Snapmaker U1 out there. We all know that the Prusa Core series is coming up with the Index, although I'm sure that's going to be a lot more expensive than $1,000. That said, I'm excited for Tuesday. I hope you all are as well. I'm not going to do a technical deep dive into this because the fact is there's not enough to know. I've seen other people break down the video showing the individual parts because this tease does essentially give you a kind of a CAD breakdown of the internal workings of the tool head. But I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to wait till Tuesday. We're only a few days away. I hope you all are excited as I am for this, as hopefully they introduce a dual nozzle setup at a cheaper price point that more people can afford, get more people into the 3D printing world. Have fun, print more.